Yes, we are live. Morning, guys. We are back at it again. Yet another study with me live. Yesterday, I wasn't able to stretch it at one go. All we did is just we installed this mini cube thing. I don't know what shit it is, but we installed Docker desktop as well. And we were about to begin with our first basic task. Yes, the thumbnail is yet another yes log, but this time it was better. Like it kind of explains that this is a cluster. Very bad analogy, but yeah, bear with it. So I'll just oh fuck. I'll just play a soft music at the background, in the background. I guess we don't need this tab. क्या बोल रहा है? कुछ भी।
पेन देना या कोई सुई साथ मुझे पेन दे दो, पेन दे दो, पेन।
क्या हो गया? बोलिए ना. The problem of using RTMBS, whatever it is that I won't be able to see my live chat. Although, like, it is of no use to see my live chat, but still, I won't be able to see my live chat through OBS. What the one is watching already? What the Just because we can make 3 replicas just because we can. want to do this. I want to search one thing. Since a pod can be a collection of containers, am I actually just running just one container and I can run many containers inside a pod? Or is it just like one pod is one container and many pods is one cluster? Something like that. See, they claim that this claims that there will be 3 pods running the same hello world application. If one of them catches fire, the other 2 are there to help. That's nice. That's nice. But I would like to do one more thing here. Actually, makes sense. And this, in fact, I'll just open another terminal. Okay. It's told me to edit the HTML. The HTML is supposed to be here somewhere. Home lib root temp user. So if I so sorry. Usually in user share. Okay. It's inside the Nginx folder, I guess. I forgot the use of find command totally. Find h name your time size I don't like there used to be a flag with name. There used to be an option -- name. I don't seem to get it. Okay. I don't understand, like, if you have this double dash, for long form options, you have single dash for like short forms, but then they have like this a single dash with like long form. Maybe I have like a wrong understanding about bash, but like I'll just fix it over time. Okay. Next. So it should be, it won't be updated, but if you refresh it, it should be updated. It hasn't been updated yet. First let me check if the file is updated. Less Nginx, more what does the CAG command does? Sorry. Less HTML. Patch less command not found. More HTML. What did I even do? Wait. I did something. Oopsie. What it did is, it's basically did an index HTML. Here HTML is a directory, we have the index HTML here. Now what we will do is that we will copy we'll go back, we'll copy the index.html from here to HTML index dot, we are not copying, we are like replacing it, index.html. Fine, it is. Oh fuck, sorry. Now if I refresh that page, it should be updated according to me. Yes, hello from Bibhuti Papa. Nice. I am so surprised by the performance of this laptop. I am not talking about this, maybe system resources or activity monitor, sorry. So memory is 13 GB cache. I don't know what they mean by memory pressure, but so far it looks good. See, there is not much load on the CPU as well. Battery lasts 12 hours. Anyways, this is like really impressive. Like I've never had any such PC before, so it's like overkill for me. For some people out there, it's like too normal of a stuff to have, but like it's overkill for a person like me who has been like using dual core, brought on dual core like since I don't know, since 2018 till now. I have been using a dual core system. I also know that it doesn't make any sense to compare an x86 dual core to ARM 8 cores, but it's still pretty powerful. Like it doesn't break a sweat. So what did I don't know how branches works from here, but like I just want to ask a question from here, so I'll just branch from here. Nested Russian dolls. I know what Russian dolls is. We are not just some NSFW thing. Or I should like search it. I should search it in incognito probably. Yeah, these are not like something inappropriate. It's just one inside one. But if you go into the literal sense, it's like a child having a child. So just don't give a shit. You know what? Actually, GitHub might run in just 4 pods. That's it. He did not mean clusters, he meant pods. Actually, GitHub runs in 4 to 5 pods. Because one pod can be used for hosting like 2-3 containers, and those 2-3 containers might be some services related to same application. For example, one container might be having front end, one container might be having back end, one container might be having some service like compress the video, compress this, compress that, might be all of that shit, like what do they call microservice or anything like that. I don't know the exact what microservice is called exactly, but it might be something like that. So I'm pretty sure at this point that he meant 5 pods. If one pod fails, other pod will run. replicas is equals to 3. Well, it doesn't do what. I'll just back to the branch. I'll just back into the branch so that we can have this main conversation over there. Maybe they should have a GitHub type logo here, like a merging logo here, so that one can switch the branches easily. That's one of the shortcoming I've faced here. Let's have some speed. So must be having a way in order to identify which pod is it currently serving off of. So there are two options. First, I should do nothing. Second, I should go and edit the HTML for each and every pod. I think the second step could be unnecessary, but it'll be like maybe it can help me understand better. So what I will do is, instead of doing it myself, I'll say, bro, sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, mind the spelling mistakes. Don't mind the spelling mistakes. So if I refresh this page, hello from pod this, okay. Nice. So I have it like this. Hello, I'm pot 3. Vibe coded Pro Max. Yeah, we vibe coded a text. So the thing is, we are using pod 3 over here. Hello, I'm pod 3. What if I delete a pod? I think we went with the second option instead of the first option because port forward deployment slash kubectl port forward deployment slash hello world. Is that what it says? We went for the first option instead of expose deployment. Okay, so what I should be doing is I went So what it says basically that there is a thing called deployments in Kubernetes. If you expose one of your deployments instead of directly exposing your pods, then in that case the healthy pods will be used instead of failing pod. So if I delete one pod in deployments, let's say if I am just port forwarding one pod, I delete that, nothing will happen. It'll just show me 404 or page does not exist or unreachable. It won't show me 404, it will say unreachable. But let's say if I use deployment, it will say okay, I was wrong. It won't say unreachable, it will say could not be resolved. Okay, and if I use a deployment, it will just simply use the healthy node. I guess this is how it works. That's what I guess. This is how it works. But step I went with the press Ctrl C and it will be stopped. Okay, so Ctrl C and it got stopped. Fine. And then step by step for the second approach, expose this. Create a service for your deployment. Says create a service for your deployment hello world port target port is 80 target port is 80. Okay, service hello svc exposed kubectl get svc get svc. Sorry bhai, what am I supposed to do now? You should see svc port forward the service. Fine. Now let's go on to deleting a pod. Okay, so I've refreshed the page and it will just have some other pod. It's still showing hello pod 3, hello I am pod 3, but let's say I'll delete the pod 3. Huh? Sorry. I got it. So when I deleted a pod while it was running, it just threw an error here. While I was After you restart the portal, माँ रोटी बना रहे हो?
हाँ रोटी।
चाय और रोटी
कितना सब्जी है?
हो जाएगा आराम से।
तीनों का?
हाँ, नहीं तो आलू भाजा एक्स्ट्रा कर दूंगा साइड में। Why is it that I click on live? I'm not live anymore yet. Nice. Got it. So I don't know what the heck is Minikube, but what it says is that first we'll stop this. We'll make sure if nothing is running here. If you try to refresh it again and again, yeah, nothing is working here. So I'll just do this. The service has no node port. Have type cluster IP not meant to expose. However, for local deployment, Minikube allows to access this. Because you are using Docker driver on Darwin, the terminal needs to be open to run it. क्या आओ ठीक है ना, it's फाइन भाई, अब मैं करूँगा। What the fuck, नहीं चल रहा। 65252 65252 ये ऐसा कैसे हो गया भाई? इसे पूछना पड़ेगा। ब्रो, have you edited the HTML for bro, please edit the HTML for all the parts the same way we did before. ए भग जा बे, भग जा। Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Fuck! Bro, दोस्तों मैं नहीं कर रहा individually. Okay. So delete करने का command का था what kubectl pod, which one is pod 1? How am I supposed to know that? How am I supposed to know that? Which one is pod 1?
पापा दे।
Have we become popular yet? No, we are not. अरे okay guys, moment of truth. We delete this one and bro what the fuck, bro? This thing is so instant that it creates a new pod. Okay, why am I saying
हो
that?
जाएगा तेरा साइकिल
बहुत आराम से
ये इससे डालना है, ऐसे टाइप कर देना। अब जो होगा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 है,
ठीक
कर लेना।
it instantly made a new one. Okay, but the problem is we don't want it to make a new one. We don't want it to make a new pod.
रोटी बना दूं ना, रात को खा लेगा।
रात को खा लूंगा। चावल तो है ना। know what, like this is a rabbit hole in itself, but our primary objective is completed. It's basically if one pod get deleted, if one pods get deleted, the other will run. In this case, if it is getting deleted, it instantly creates a copy of that and it just runs it instead of. So either like it creates it so instantly that I don't get the time to go to the pod 2, and since it's creating it instantly, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is creating it by scratch. It's not like it is creating a copy of that pod. We can actually go for pod 3 like this, and pod 3 will still be visible. If I go here and go to 8080, have I done something wrong? 883. See, here is the pod 3, but since like this action is so instant that it just creates a pod right after I visit that. So it's telling me to do shit like orphan and stuff in order to just not create a new pod instantly. Like it won't create a pod anyway, it will just route it to the different pods. But that's some deep shit which I'll explore either by working on this technology and not for like self-exploration or something like that. I don't have time for self-exploration right now. I just wanted to get myself familiar enough with running with Kubernetes, and now I think I won't be like hand to mouth if someone says that bro do this shit with Kubernetes, and I won't be like, at least I have the beginner thing, like I can just set up and run Kubernetes and Docker and Minikube, whatever shit it is, just do it. Maybe take a lot of help from AI and just get the shit done. That's what I wanted. Now I'll just stop the live here, like not stop the live, I'll just like put a stop to learning Kubernetes here. I think is just enough for a fresher to get by. With that, I'll just meet you with next live. We'll be doing something else. I don't know what, but like we'll be probably doing something else if I